Looks like back on the town square. Time to get some breakfast. They had brownies this morning. Free brownies. Look, as they tear apart the tree to get up the driveway, they're here to deliver the refrigerator. Let's see how much of the tree they tear apart before they get up here. I cannot believe they backed up the driveway. Let's just see if they drive off in the ditch and flip the truck. Come on. Oh, I think he actually is going to make it. Look at that. Now let's get the refrigerator set up. They are unloading the fridge. I also need to throw away those pots. Came to my favorite place to get plumbing supplies to hook up the refrigerator. It seems like we come to Lowe's more than I care to admit. So very exhausted, been a long day. Cleaned house, had the refrigerator installed, had to run piping for the refrigerator so the ice maker would work, moved the hot tub, drained the hot tub, cleaned the hot tub. Oh gosh, there's so much that's gone on. I'm just ready for bed. Anyway, till tomorrow.